Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily cancel your membership on Netflix. So when I click here on manage profiles, you see all the profiles here. All you want to do is just click on one of your profiles. Then you want to click here on the arrow right upper corner, account, and you already write here membership and billing, and you will click just cancel membership, and you will want to do are you done watching? If you're sure you'd like to cancel membership, finish below. Cancels will be active at the end of your current billing period. January, yes, finish cancellation. I don't want to cancel my account, of course. I love watching Netflix, so that's kind of it. And also, you can downgrade your plan if you would like, and that's kind of it. So you can stick around or done watching. So that's completely up to you. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me down below in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a tutorial about it. Thank you, have a great day, and see you in the next video.